Hello, how are you? This is Lady Outside Inside today. I am doing a video in response to a question I got. And the question was, because I mentioned that I use my oil fragrances for so many things. And that's the joy of oil fragrances, that you can do a lot of things with them. Anyway, somebody asked me a question and they said that they used the oils to freshen their clothes and their clothes were stained. And I'm like, wow. So I think this is going to be an answer to the question. How do you use oil fragrances and not stain your clothes? Oils are a solid. So just like water, if you pour it directly on, or if you directly impact the surface or area, it will be affected. I'm going to wash. I'm outside. I set up. So this is my umbrella cloth. I have a big umbrella outside. If you watch any of my other videos, you might see that. But this is the cloth. I'm going to start off with this. This is the cloth. And by the way, I use bleach too in my laundry. Some people don't use bleach, but I do. I like my stuff bright and crisp, and I think bleach gives that effect. But anyway, I'm going to wash some towels and a blanket. So come on with me. Put these things in the wash machine, as you know how to do that. Everybody knows how to do that. Just put your garments in the wash machine. And I'm going to add my son's jeans too. And my son's, he's active. So I put a little bleach in my water. That's how I do it. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Got a couple of washcloths. I mean, they're white already, but I still use bleach in my things. Not an abundance of bleach where I'm going to bleach my stuff up, but I use bleach. And this is just regular bleach from wherever you want to use it. I slide the compartment out. I put the bleach. I'm going to put a little bit of bleach. Just a little bit. And then I put my detergent. Just pour it in there. And then I use my oils. Now, I have a mango butter. My mango butter, it's kind of low. But I'm using mango butter because I like the sweetness. I like the sweetness of it. And I just like how it turns out. And that's what I'm in the mood for today. So I'm pouring mango butter inside where the fabric softener will go. Like I said, I'm almost finished with my mango. But I'm going to use it. And I have a spray bottle too. I use this. You could spray oils too. You spray them. There's so many things you could do. But anyway, I'm going to just put a lot of this in here. And as far as the amount that you can use, it depends on the intensity. It depends on how much you want it to smell. So I used, I don't know, I would say I used 2/3, or just compared to an ounce bottle. If you have a whole ounce, I would use maybe this much. That much oil. If you want to, you could use more. It's up to you. So I got it into the fabric softener. And you could also add fabric softener if you want to, but I don't. I just use the oil, this mango butter oil. I put my detergent in here. I have bleach. Slide it back. And start my wash. That's how I do it. And it's not going to stain your clothes at all. If you have any more questions about any kind of uses for oil fragrances, oh, and by the way, you could use the Day perfume, you could use Nor, you could use whatever you want to use. And I like sweetness, so you could even put a little pink sugar. And for a man, try some Nor. Put some Nor in there, or put some sandalwood. Sandalwood will give it a nice kick. And you can do this with jeans. You can do it with anything you want. Pour it in the fabric softener compartment. And if you're interested in the 4 ounce bottle that I showed of the mango butter, is $20. I could put a link down below. So that's how you use it. You put it in the fabric softener. Let me know how it worked for you, and let me know what you think. Have a great day from Lady Outside with pure oil fragrances for everything. And also, if you want to start a business, I do oil fragrances, but I teach you how to start a business. Go to www.reneemcdaniel.com and learn how you can start a business. And it doesn't have to be with oil fragrances. That's my product. And my service is helping you start a business. Contact me and have a great day.